Well, hey everybody, we want to show you this amazing custom rig from some friends of ours.
Yes.
Hey everybody, I'm Bill.
And I'm Elizabeth. Live simple,
live free. And if you saw our last video, you know that we are here at the spring huddle for a channel called Less Junk, More Journey. And we covered that in the last video. We also mentioned that Nathan and Marissa, Less Junk, More Journey, have this new amazing rig. And we were able to take a tour of it. And this is it. We just wanted to show you the tour that we saw. Now, it's a custom designed rig built by Grand Design. It's a Grand Design Solitude. And here's the amazing thing. It's model number 414 LJMJ. Less Junk, More Journey.
And 414 is when their daughter was born.
Yeah, it's the month of their daughter's birth. So there has been some talk about that this will actually become a regular production model by Grand Design. That's still kind of in the works, in negotiation. But apparently there have been a lot of people emailing them saying, I want one. So it may very well become a production model in the future. I don't know. But I'll tell you what, man, it's a monster.
It's beautiful.
It is beautiful.
They put a lot of input from all their experience and what would make it work really well. And it's impressive.
It's 44 feet long. It has 3 axles. It's 19,000 pounds. It's bigger than anything Nathan has ever driven and towed before. They've been full-time for 10 years, but they just upgraded to this like what, 2 weeks ago?
Oh yeah.
And so he's still getting used to it. They also had to replace the truck. They've now got a Ram 3500 diesel dually to be able to pull it.
But what a home. Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah. So let's go ahead and show you.
I already tell you this. We came here, we left Dallas, Texas on Tuesday at around 2:30.
This is a monstrous deck. I think he said it's the biggest one they've ever done on the side. Usually decks are on the back or something. But this folds up, of course, and then covers up the outdoor kitchen right there for travel. And then they open it up and it just greatly expands their living space. Of course, then there's a awning up above there.
I mean, yeah, probably. I don't know.
Now, Nathan and Marissa worked actually, I think, for several years with Grand Design to custom design and build this RV. And they took all of their years of experience, 8 or 10 years of experience in living in an RV, and designed it just the way they wanted it, with all the things they wished that their previous RVs had had. And then they also got feedback from a lot of their subscribers on things that should be incorporated into it. And then Grand Design built a prototype, and they went up and walked through the prototype and made a bunch more changes before Grand Design finally built this first model, LJMJ. And it's been an amazing process. And as I said, this may or may not become a production model. That's still kind of in the works, but let's go ahead and take a look at all of that they designed.
This deck is wonderful. See, you've got the gate that goes across, and this can fold completely up. What a wonderful space to have.
This is an outside kitchen.
It's got a TV screen. Oh my goodness. We can have them give a more official tour, but this is impressively usable and fun. How cool.
Wow. If they want to look in, that's on them. Luckily, you act like it's on.
Oh, yeah, luckily I already played it.
Welcome.
Here's Hensley's spot.
Yeah, that's her favorite spot right there, the corner. It's like a hug.
Oh yeah.
Your kitchen is very cozy with I mean, everything is just right exactly where
But
you
that's
need
how I want it.
Right.
I'm like,
Yes.
I'm cooking, everybody else just
Exactly.
let
That's
me
what I
do
mean.
my
Everything's
thing.
everything's right at hand.
Yeah.
It's wonderful. Everywhere you turn, you can just grab something. What a useful space.
It is, and we tried to think of like all the things,
Oh,
you know,
yes.
like, you know, to make everything just so much easier right here. It's great.
Those deep drawers you've incorporated are so cool. How useful is that, man? Oh,
Yeah, this is
man.
one of my favorite things too. This I thought was going to be a gimmick, and it is amazing.
Dishwasher.
Dishwasher.
Have you used it and stuff?
Oh,
I use it every single
And
day.
it does a great job.
I love it. Yes, it's perfect. It washes. It takes 45 minutes, and then it steams dries at the end. It's
Now,
that's
nice.
awesome.
how much do you have to clean before you put it in there?
not bad. I mean, I'll just like rinse it,
Okay.
just like any other dishwasher.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fun.
Does it have like
the
the
gray tank?
does it have like the little garbage disposal thing that'll ground up any food that maybe starts to go down?
That I don't know, but it's got a little like all this comes out, and then
Oh, it's a lot
got,
deeper than I
yeah,
thought.
and then it's
And
got
see, most modern ones do.
yeah,
Wow.
That way food doesn't stay in the water.
yeah.
That's
that makes
what you would like, Abby, because one of your
Oh, that's
choices.
I know Hensley's really happy about this because she was washing our dishes. Yeah.
When you have the slides in, can you still walk through, or do they have to be out to a certain?
We can get to our bathroom.
Okay.
And that was what was important to us.
Right.
And if
Yes.
we need to, I can access this top part of the fridge. I can squeeze through and do that. But yeah, the bathroom was like the one thing we wanted to be able to get to.
Right.
Absolutely.
It goes up there.
Kids have got made, by the way.
Fridge.
Right.
goes all the way in the sink.
Oh, really?
Also, your bathroom
That's what she's
really
saying.
is
The fridge comes in.
a bathtub.
Oh, it's
Like,
from Home Depot.
Like
it's,
on film,
yeah.
I thought it was
A
like
lot
more
of people
narrow.
said on film it
I was
didn't
like,
look nice,
this
like a
is
deep
really-
tub, but it's literally from Home
Oh, it's got
Depot.
the
It's like
slant in the
a
back.
residential tub.
Where you can like lay back and
Yeah,
chill?
yeah.
Have you got one of those little bamboo things?
I
to go
want
across?
one.
Well, it's time to get one.
I know,
Go across
right?
the
You
top.
can put your Kindle up.
I know, right?
Put in little bath balls and just oh
Yeah.
yeah. That is so cool.
Oh, wow. It's a lot bigger than it looked on TV.
This is the kids' room. They have a daughter, Hensley, I believe, will sleep up here, and then this one is a bed that drops down, and that's JJ's bed. It moves up then, and they have this. I guess they do their schoolwork here and stuff.
Yes.
And they have
it gives
a-
them a play area.
And they have a second bathroom for the kids with a full shower in it. 2 bathrooms in an RV is very unusual.
And it's a nice size.
Yep.
It's very, very usable. Oh my goodness, yes. I'm gonna have to check with Hensley, but I think she probably just climbs up these, scampers up. Oh, look what a nice little room this gives her. Oh.
Can you tell this is for an 11-year-old girl?
Well, and it was really touching to me. She said the kids are so excited about being able to share this space. They're really close, and they love being able to have this room that's theirs. And I think that's really cool. So this comes down, and then they can sit here. They have their own like workspace and Lego space.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like they can do that at the same time.
Keep them okay.
It is. So I know I can't kill them, and
More windows.
it still brings me joy. So.
Absolutely. Oh, I definitely understand.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, there's a TV
Yeah,
screen.
okay. Your own TV there.
I can get it the exact temperature I want it, which is really nice. Actually,
Hey.
wish I could
Oh,
get
hey.
17.5 because 118 can be a little hot. 117, I'm like, so it's fun. Yeah,
we
so
love,
it's-
and we
yeah,
love traveling
We have
to
a new
learn.
mark. Yeah.
I love this.
But she's always wanted to fix it.
What a cool.
Yeah, when you get in the notch there, everything's exactly where you need it.
What a great workspace. And you get the dishes set in here, load them in. The sink is right here, of course, one of these beautiful, oh, love it, beautiful stove. This is just a very well-designed kitchen.
And one of the things they were talking about when they designed it was they wanted windows. Every time the manufacturer said, "What about here?" and she said, "If it'll fit, put a window."
Yes.
So they've got windows and they've got light everywhere.
Yes, it is so bright and nice in here. So bright and nice.
Heavy mattress, but I need it. I have a herniated disc in my back.
Oh, gosh.
So like I have extreme back pain, and it is tremendously helped me.
Okay.
So I'm saying that to help people because honestly, it is like really
Yeah.
been
We
good
need
for
to use
me.
the promo code.
Here's
Because I've just been.
the other bathroom with a full-size tub in it.
I
I mean full size. She said they got it from Lowe's.
I got medium, and I would go for
Shower head. How's that? So from the bathroom, then you come into the master bedroom. This is a king size bed. Once again, windows everywhere. We've got a fireplace, heater here. This is actually Nathan's desk. He likes to stand to do his work, and then he's got the window right there where he can see outside. I don't know how you can stand and work. I could never do that, but I've heard people say that. There's also the TV hidden back in here. You just push a button and the whole TV rises up where they can see it from the bed. That's pretty cool. And then Marissa was very excited about this. This is a laundry chute that they can access from the master bedroom and also from the cabinet in the bathroom on the other side. How cool is that?
when it comes to can we park there, right? Because we've had people offer a lot.
Lots of closet space.
Because only RVers would know if you can actually.
Because it goes past, you can see that there's more storage past the net back there. But the tray doesn't go back there.
Cool. I mean, this is outside of the outer basement. That's cool.
Yeah.
I can see already the short time load shift traveling.
This
Nipples
sorry
on the
thing,
inside.
yeah, this flipped over and I guess bounced around for however long it bounced around and made its way, because it was back here. Now I put this to separate it in case that happens again, hopefully. But I may strap it at some point. But yeah.
Now the tour that we just gave you was sort of a micro tour. We didn't get into all the details. There are probably 200 people here at this huddle, at this rally, and they were all going through at the same time we were.
Sure, we didn't want to get in anybody's way too
So,
much.
you know, Nathan and Marissa weren't giving specific tour, they were just answering questions. But they did a video on their channel just recently with going through the entire tour of the entire thing. So if you want to see it in more detail, we'll put a link below and on the end screen of this video so you can see this amazing rig.
From Less Junk, More Journey.
Yep.
Yes.
So I hope you enjoyed it, and go over to their channel, check them out, subscribe to them.
Oh yeah, it's wonderful.
Yeah.
They're wonderful. We've
Yeah.
been following for the full 10 years just about.
Right.
Yeah.
So anyway, thanks for watching.
Yeah, live simple.
Live free. Keep it blessed.
Love you guys, and of course we will see you very soon.
All right. Bye-bye.